the mathematics department has conducted this program is very nice. Congratulate the entire department and also the students who have involved in it. The outlets, yeah, okay, right. So, let me take the privilege of thanking our beloved principal sir for giving this opportunity for our department of mathematics so that they are able to provide a wide scope for you all regarding Srinivas Ramanujan and his contribution to the field of mathematics, and also for talented children who are highly creative to showcase their abilities in the form of preparing some models and also participating in various competitions and connected with mathematics, right? And also I extend my thanks to other faculty members who are directly or indirectly involved in this task. See, Navodaya, any program in the Navodaya is a collaborative work. Unless and until it is supported by other members of the staff, so things will not be possible. So that's why I thank all our colleagues for encouraging children and making the program a grand success. So finally, I would like to recall my childhood days where I was very good at mathematics. But one day I have got a sudden aversion only because of one thing. See, when there was a health issue of my grandfather, I was trying to apply the mathematical knowledge I have gained at the early age, but in futile, in vain. But I could assess something. Okay, this might be his problem. I think I was in ninth class at that time. So with some science knowledge, I could do some change in the health of my grandfather. So since then, there was a question in my mind. See, what I have learned, a plus b whole square, b square, what I am learning from this, simply I am practicing on the paper. What is this nonsense? Like that I used to think. What is the equation, what I have learned today, is it applicable to my real life situation today? Whereas the science, what my science teacher told me regarding some systems, so stomach pain, cardiac pain, like that, then that knowledge helped my grandfather through me. So this is immediate application of my science. That's why I started developing more interest toward the science, leaving behind mathematics. Right. So I used to give least priority to mathematics since then. But later I came to know that mathematics application cannot be visible every day. I mean, cannot be apparent. So it is there inside, behind, in the background it is running everywhere. In fact, in terms of human anatomy, if our skeleton is mathematics, the total body is science. See, a science cannot be supported by, a body has to be supported by the skeleton. Just imagine your body without a skeleton. It will be like just a lump, a big lump, right? It will be collapsed. In the same way, the body, the muscles, all other systems, all other tissues or organs are supported by a framework called skeleton. So, body is the science, skeleton is the mathematics. So, everything is important. But the thing is, see, your organs are visible and you are able to feel the heartbeat, you are able to take breathe. You are able to understand the language of your language, your organs. But when it comes to the skeleton, the total movements you are performing is because of skeleton only. Mainly is locomotory movements. See, but we ignore it. But externally, what we enjoy, what we feel immediate effect, that we enjoy, that we realize. So that's what science. Understood? So both are important. And my conclusion is, don't neglect mathematics and science. But in this Vidyalaya, there is a worst habit that neglecting other subjects and giving priority to only mathematics. That's the wrong thing. That's the wrong thing. How can you give priority to your skeleton without simply by ignoring your total body organs? So Skeleton is important. We have to take care of it. We have to take the support of it, and we have to improve the functions of our other organs. So that is the basic logic. But you are missing. Understood. So I used to fight with the Chakravarti sir previous in a fun way, of course. Arey, why are you engaging mathematics? Students with always mathematics without giving scope for them to study other subjects. So other subjects are getting damaged because of your over enthusiasm. I used to say like that. I used to laugh. Right. See, your organs are important. That should be supported by the skeleton. See, taking calcium tablets always to strengthen the skeleton leads to renal calculus, kidney stones. Understood? Okay, I want to strengthen my skeleton. If it is my motto, I'm taking only calcium and calcium, D vitamin. Then finally, what will happen? Kidney stones will be formed. Other issues will be there. So, see, to what extent you have to take calcium to reinforce the skeleton and also help the organs. That extent only you have to take. Understood? And I request our mathematical teachers finally, you please, whenever we are, say, calculus, so how this calculus is going to be applicable in our real life situation? See, we are talking about AI. Which part of the mathematics comes here? Okay, that is important so that we can develop interest. Oh, today I am studying so and so calculus, or I am studying geometry. If I become an engineer, civil engineer, this knowledge will helpful for me. If I'm going to construct my house or any bridge, this knowledge is going to be helpful for me. So suppose while you are learning arithmetic, so that will be useful for your daily life. This incident also I remember when my mother asked me, for the past 1 month we are buying milk from the vendor per day 3/4 liter. Each liter costs that time I think 12 rupees like that. Each liter costs 12 rupees. How much amount I have to pay? Then I was very good at mathematics, but I failed to give the answer. Then in what way it is useful to me? So like that. So the immediate application you should know. So that will be reinforced and you can enjoy the mathematics like anything. Okay? Thank you, Ananta.